In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email ID on Google Drive. Now, a quick heads up before we begin. Google Drive is tied directly to your Google account, so there isn't a literal switch that replaces one email with another. Instead, what you can do is make your files accessible via links, then use your new Google account to reach them. This is a practical workaround when you want to access your existing files from a different account. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in to the account that currently holds your files. You'll land on the Drive homepage where you can see your folders and documents. If you have a lot of items, it's helpful to work from the My Drive view so you can handle everything in one place. Next, select all the files and folders you want to make available. You can click the first item and then press Ctrl or Command+A to highlight everything, or Shift-click to select a range. If some items are grayed out or show a lock icon, they may be shared with you by others or have restricted permissions, so keep that in mind as you proceed. With everything selected, open the sharing settings. In the Share window, look for the General Access section. Change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This updates access so that any person who has the link can open the content without requesting permission. For safety, set the role to viewer unless you specifically need editing or commenting. Remember, anyone with the link means the files aren't searchable, but anyone who obtains a link can view them, so avoid doing this for highly sensitive content. You can always revert this setting later. Now copy the link and click Done. If you selected multiple items, copy the link for the selection and save it somewhere you can find later, like a Notes app or a document. This gives you quick access to your content once you switch accounts. After that, sign in with your new Google account, the one you want to use going forward. You can switch accounts by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of Google Drive, or you can sign in through a new browser window. Use the links you copied to open your files from the new account. Since you set access to anyone with the link, your new account will be able to view them immediately. If you need tighter control later, go back to the original account, switch general access back to restricted, or share files more selectively. This method keeps things simple while helping you bridge from one account to another without downloading and re-uploading everything.